Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Black color, red color, blue color, green color, and the last one is yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we open black color and now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. Now we draw B and the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for duck, D for dog. E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. H. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. K. L. And the next one is M. N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is V. V for vanilla. W. Now we draw X. The next one is Y and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.